Hey, what's up? It's Jimmy K from Mechanic. I'm here today to bring you two new cool things you can do with a Collusion set. Now, when we first released Collusion, we were excited to see what you guys will come up with, and we've seen a lot of cool combinations. But our favourite by far is from a magician from America called Michael Buell. Now, he posted a couple of things to our Collusion Facebook group, and we were so impressed by both the visual impact as well as the simplicity of handling, we just had to share it with you guys. Now, Michael's been kind enough to allow us to teach his ideas, and we're bringing you two new effects, one called Fuze and one called Stake. Fuze has two really strong visual moments that are backed up by the sound of the props both joining and then splitting, and they really add to the impact of the effect. Stake introduces a Sharpie into the mix, and you get a really nice visual of the pen puncturing the coin and transforming it into the ring. If you've created any nice moments using the new set, we'd love to see it. So join our Collusion Facebook group and post your ideas there and share it with the mechanic community. We're going to continue to add new tricks, new routines, some tips, and it's going to be a growing resource for you guys to learn and share. So we look forward to seeing you there.